perspective couldn't share. The sequence gets set into motion the moment you see it for what it is and how best to serve.